Sorry guys, the battery on the camera died for a little bit.
Okay, again, as you can see, they're trying to kill a bird. 2 birds.
Well, this is Jeffrey Jackman. What do you have to say about this bird? Kirk, what do you have to say about the bird? What's that?
Screw up.
What does that mean, Jeffrey?
Screws on.
That means what screws on? Everyone from Fairmont? And Bernardo.
Exactly.
Kirk is a perv, not Jeffrey. We're just creating the idea. This is a good showdown. This is Jeffrey and his stick.
That's gross.
And this is Kirk all by himself with nothing but a rubber band. What do you have to say about this, Kirk?
Are you gonna bug me?
No. Better.
That's gross. And a rock portrait.
Oh, lizard.
The donor detaches sometimes.
Boom! Hey, Kirk's getting away!
Oh, there it is. What?
If you can't see it, watch it in high quality, guys.
You can't see it yet, though. What was under there? There's a lizard.
Oh, it's right there. Do you see it, guys?
It's right there. Oh, right there. A lizard.
If you can't see it, watch it in high quality, okay? We are going to go now. Bye.